So generative AI is here. We're going to dive into how it's changing design and your job along with it. But this wasn't the end of creativity. Nope. It was the beginning of something totally new for us. So are you going to get replaced? Well, the designer who gets AI will be hired because of it. And this isn't some future fantasy. Companies are doing this right now, in days, not weeks.
So how does this magic even work? Well, you don't have to be a coder. You just need to get this. It's called latent space. Think of it as a giant map of everything visual the AI has ever seen. Your text prompts, it's like GPS coordinates on that map. Your words literally point the way. The AI starts with random noise. Then, like a sculptor, it just carves away what isn't your image. Okay, so each tool has its own vibe. You gotta pick the right one for the job. Let's meet them. You've got the artist, the engineer, a whole crew. There's a perfect tool for any part of your process. But the tool is just one piece of the puzzle. The real skill? It's all in how you write the prompt. You know, the AI speaks your language. Use photography and art terms. That's how you get precise control. A great prompt has layers. Get these 5 things right, and you're in total command of the result. For example, if you just say a woman working, you get something, well, pretty generic and forgettable, right? But get specific about the style and setting, and bam, now you have a story. Just look at that. See, your job isn't executor anymore. It's creative director. You call the shots, the AI does the work. But don't forget, the AI isn't actually creative. It just remixes. The why behind it all? That's you. AI can't feel empathy or understand context. That's your real value. It amplifies your skills, not replaces them. It's an amazing tool for sure, but it's a terrible partner. You have to be the one with the vision. The tools will change, but your taste won't. So what are you going to go create with this now?